Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
August 30th, 2012, Payne's first bite of food.
Maybe.
Maybe. Open.
What do you think, fat man? Is it like manna from heaven?
Ooh, open.
There's a bite. What are you gonna do with it?
Maybe Payne likes it.
You want to go sit by Daddy and watch him eat? You can't really see him from where you are. Whoa!
Let's Baby Payne eat them.
He's eating rice cereal. Who don't like it? Do you want another bite?
He just do. He just do. He just do.
Ooh, you're making a huge mess. Here. Yum, 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 yum.
Baby Payne just do.
He just spit out his food.
Baby Payne don't spit out your food. It's yummy. It's good.
It is good. It's delicious.
Look at me. Look at me, Mommy.
Yeah.
What, baby?
Look at me. I on the table.
I see. Yum, 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 yum.
Not a fan, huh?
Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing yet.
Not a fan?
What are you doing, Mommy?
Trying to feed Payne his first meal.
That's
Of
his
solid
first meal.
food, yeah.
So
His first cereal.
that's her cereal?
Yeah, his first cereal.
Baby.
He's not
That baby.
into it so much. Walker should watch it.
And we're getting a little better at it. Hey, look.
Okay. Gonna try one more bite. I'm feeding Payne one more bite.
One more bite.
And he's got to take a bath because he is messy.
It's so yummy. Such flavorful rice cereal.
Okay. I said okay. Tell Daddy bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Fat man poo.